Hey YouTubers, welcome back again. I have this 4-stroke lawnmower. It doesn't run, but it can be best side hustle to get the parts out of here and sell it. You can sell online or marketplace or Gumtree, whatever. So I have lots of videos about flipping mowers, making money out of them. So today's video especially, where I'm gonna take all the parts possible, how much we can make out of that. Mill for a lot of the parts. So let me start it. Now everything is out of the base. As you can see, everything works. Whatever you can see, everything works except the engine. So whether you can sell as a parts or you can reuse it. So selling a parts can be a good side hustle. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.